Good morning children. I want to give you some correction and some review on the homework you had done. So let me explain from this one. Exercise 6.1, third sum, write any two factors of 14. So here you don't need to work hard. Some in mathematics, no, in something you have to spend a lot of time. So when you spend lot of time, you will not have enough time to write other sums. So there are some sums you can reduce your time. Okay, so for that only I am giving this one. This is nothing difficult and you did not make a mistake, but I want to show you some where you can less your time. Okay, here they are asking you to find only two factors. They are not asking you to find all the factors. Two factors. So here itself already I had given the properties of factors. I told one is the factor of all. One is the factor of all the number. One is the factor of all the number, and the number itself is the factor. The number itself is the factor. So here itself we can see one is the factor of all. So for any number, if they are asking factor, you can write 1. Again, another factor, you can write the number itself. So why you need to calculate? No need to calculate. You no need to use your mind also. Use your brain now. You no need to quiz and find. Very easily you can write. 1 is the factor of all. So for 14, 1 will be the factor. Again, the number itself is the factor of the number. So 14 is the number. So 14 is the factor. So shortcut, you no need to do any calculation. Not even a time. Within a second, not even 1 second is in a fraction of a second, you can write the answer. So here and all you can reduce the time. So for that only I am giving you the idea. Some may not aware of it, that this is the way you can write. So I am giving this one. Okay, now the next one. Okay, now let's see in 6.2. Second one, A, write the 15th multiple of 35. So when they ask 15th or 2nd or 10th, like that way, if they ask the multiple, not the factor, multiple if they ask. So this, how many they asked, that you multiply by the number. So this is 15 into 35. You multiply and write the answer. That is the multiple of 15th multiple of 35. Again, now write the 12th multiple of 10. So 12th, so 12 into 10. So 12 and 10 you multiply. So that is 120. So this just this 0 you have to insert at the back. Again, next one, write the multiple of 7 between 10 and 70. So between 10 and 70. So 7 table only you have to say up to 70. So between, so 70 you cannot write, 10 also you cannot write. So from 11 to 69, whatever is there you can write. So 7 ones are 7. So 7 is below 10, you cannot write. Again, 7 twos are 14. So that comes between 10 to 70. So you can write 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 eights are 48. Sorry, 40. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. 70 is here, so we will stop here. So these are the multiples between 10 and 70. Again, the multiple of numbers with 0 in one's place have dash in one's place. So 0 in one's place. So any number we can write 0 in one's place. So I am taking 10. So that will be easy for you. So now multiples of 10 will be what? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 6 are 60, 70. It will go on like that. So in these multiples, you see the ones place, the number in ones place. What is the number in ones place? It is 0. That only they have asked. The multiples of numbers with 0 in one's place have dash in one's place. So they are having 0 in one's place. This is the answer. Now in exercise 6.3, check if 1000 is a multiple of 20. So you have to write whether it is yes or no. So for that, first you have to find whether it is multiple or not. So to find whether it is multiple or not, what you do, the bigger number you divide by the smaller number. So the bigger number is here 1000, that you divide by 20. So 1000 divided by 20. 1000 divided by 20. So this one shortcut also I can teach now. See here, but I will teach next time. Now let's see 20. So 0 is there, so you just forget the 0, just remember 2. Okay, so 2 is there, so now you can use the 2 table. Okay, so 2, first you will take 1 will not go in 2, so you will take now another number 10. So in 10, how many 2's are there? 5 2's are 10. 5 2's are 10. So this 0 is there. Now I told you to ignore. So now you can add it just before, just at the back. So 5 20's are 100. 5 2's are 10. Since we are adding this 0, now inserting this 0 at the back. So now 5 20's are 100. Okay, so now we have to minus 0. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So now we have to take the next number down. So 0, if you divide 0 by any number, the answer is 0. Okay, so 50 is the answer. Okay, so we are able to divide without the remainder. Since we are able to divide without the remainder, so it is multiple of 20. So you can write yes. So when you divide, if you don't get any remainder, then it is yes. If you get the remainder, then the answer must be no. Again, now in the second and fourth sum, there is a little different, but many of you have written the same way. So I want to explain now. See here, they are asking you to find the common multiple. So to find the common multiple, first you will write the multiple. First, the multiples of 2 are 2 1's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8, 2 5's are 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and it will go on like that. Again, multiples of 7, 7, 14. This is table only I am writing faster. 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, and it will go on. Now you have to write the common multiple. First you will write the multiple, then you will write the common multiples. So the common multiples are in this common you have to find out. So which are common here? 14. 14 is the first common one. Then after that, after 14 next will come 28. Okay, so here we have not written 28. Okay, so the next common multiple will be 28. So 14, 28, and it will go on like that. Okay, you can write up to 20 so that you will get at least 2. At least you have to write 2 common multiple. Okay, don't write just 1. You can write at least 2 must be there. That's why I increased here. Okay, so if you are not getting one more common multiple, then you can increase the table. Again, you can go on, right? So here common multiple, you will stop here. Okay, with finding common multiple. But in LCM, there is a difference is there. You have to find one more step after finding the common multiple. This for LCM of 8 and 10 you have to find. So first let us write the multiple of 8. 8, 16, 24, 36, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Again multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It is going on like this, so you have to put a dot. Okay, now we have to write the common multiple. Common multiples. So common multiples are here 40, then here 80. So 40, again 80. Okay, next only you will write the LCM. LCM means least. Least means smaller. So in this common multiple, which is smaller, 40 is smaller, so you will write 40. This is the way you have to complete now. Okay, so and here some I saw one of you had written with the division method. Division method you will learn afterwards. Now don't do. Okay, what is given in your book, that much you learn, that's enough. Okay, sometimes when you go in higher classes level, you will make mistakes. Sometimes you will be confused. So follow this method. Now what is given, that is enough. Okay, so now next we will learn the tomorrow's class.